Well, here it is. I bought genuine Honda fuel line on the internet on eBay. This is $32 for 10 feet. That was delivered to my door, but still there's a 5.5 millimeter inside diameter, and I don't know what the outside diameter is, but it's not big. It's not super large like the stuff you get here, and you can't use the quarter inch. A quarter inch is just too large. And when I went to AutoZone and I bought the line that was similar to this, it was the right size and the right outside diameter too. It wasn't made for fuel. And it just started, in 1 week, it started drying up. I could feel it was going to crack, and when I pulled it apart, the whole end broke off. So, but I'm going to always use the genuine Honda fuel line from now on. Forget it. I'm not messing around with these other fuel lines. You have to have all these clamps all over. Tighten them down and the lines don't fit. I don't know why Honda made it that way, but that's the way it is. We have to live with it. So this is 5.5 millimeter, a little bit less than a quarter inch.